Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in home improvement solutions. Today, we're diving into a game-changer for bathroom renovations.
The Heirloom paint in cobblestone gray by Heirloom Traditions Paint.
If you're looking to transform your bathroom vanity effortlessly, stick around because we've got the scoop on why this paint is the best choice out there. Now, when it comes to bathroom makeovers, finding the right paint is crucial. You want something that not only looks fantastic but can withstand the unique challenges of bathroom environments. And that's where Heirloom paint steps in. Let's break down why it's the best type of paint for your bathroom vanity. First off, this isn't your ordinary paint.
It's an all-in-one solution, meaning you can say goodbye to tedious priming and sanding. That's right. With this paint, you can skip those steps entirely and get straight to transforming your vanity.
Plus, it's incredibly easy to use.
Whether you're a seasoned DI or a first-time painter, you'll love how smoothly this paint goes on.
And with its low odor and
fast-drying formula, you can tackle your project without any hassle. But what really sets this paint apart is its durability. Bathroom vanities are prone to moisture, spills, and daily wear and tear.
Thankfully, Heirloom paint is up to the challenge.
It's designed to withstand the demands of bathroom life, so you can enjoy your freshly painted vanity for years to come.
And let's talk about that color, cobblestone gray.
It's the perfect blend of sophistication and versatility, adding a touch of elegance to any bathroom decor. Whether you're going for a modern look or a more traditional style, this paint has you covered. So there you have it. The Heirloom paint in cobblestone gray is hands down the best type of paint for your bathroom vanity. Say goodbye to complicated painting processes and hello to effortless transformation.
Trust me, your bathroom will thank you.
That's all for today's review. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment letting us know what products you'd like us to review next. Until next time, happy painting!